Hey guys, welcome to Jables Outdoors. Today I'm trying out this Milwaukee MX Fuel jackhammer. Never seen one. Doesn't say how many volts it is, but I'm guessing it's a lot. If you know me, you know that I like Milwaukee tools, so I was pretty excited to try this out. Battery operated jackhammer. About to see it in action. Stay tuned. And there you have it, the Milwaukee MX Fuel jackhammer. Pretty slick device. It's got good weight to it, works pretty hard. You can see here that before I had this flipped the wrong way to have the lock for the bit. So that is the correct position for it to be in, for the bit to be locked in. I got roughly, what did I get? Say 35 minutes out of 2 full battery packs. 2 feet by 10 feet is what I broke up of 6-inch thick concrete with wire mesh in it. So I think it did pretty all right. I don't know if the price of these would be worth their weight in gold, but can never really beat electric plug-in one, but that's if you got the power to supply it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Jables Outdoors videos.